me, Andrea Lewis. What's up, my unicorns, my buffs, and my beautifuls? So, guys, I just made a new squishy today, just a few minutes ago. But I didn't record when I made it, because, like, my phone was going dead, guys. I mean, like, my camera was going dead. And, yeah. So I had to use my phone for this, guys. So this is a squishy I made. It's out of a tiny trash bag with some cotton in it and two rubber bands wrapped around it and 2 holes in it. It's really squishy. It's kind of like this one. So guys, you know how squishy works? Well, when you leave 2 holes in the bottom, it brings the air out instead of the air coming in. So when you squish the air out, it comes back in and it rises. But if you have a real squishy, do not put hole in a real squishy, or it's just going to be called cutting a squishy. They only put 2 holes. Don't put like this size holes. Put this size holes in it. You can even put a trash bag inside a trash bag and put a rubber band over it and then it'll be squishy. Or you could put like you could put trash bags, paper bags, cotton, foam, anything that would, when you squeeze it, it rise back up. That's how you make a squishy, guys. And if you want me to make another one of these, comment down below. It looks like salad. Like when you go to a store and you see like a big round ball of like salad. That's what it looks like, but it's not in a ball. Yeah. Go check out my news clip. When it sounds like it's busting, it's not really busting. I'm gonna give my cousin a squishy box, so when I give her my phone, she can like show them all the squishies I gave her. And yeah. Comment down below if you go to Junior Pet Elementary School. Comment down below if you live in Alabama, because I live in Alabama. Yeah. And everybody who subscribes to my channel and comment down below that they subscribe to my channel, will get a shout out in my videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll leave my music name in the description down below. So yeah, guys. So yeah. Thanks for watching my videos. And yeah. Wait, you really thought I was gonna stop the video? No. So I still the same. Look at this picture. And look at me. I still look the same. But my hair. And I don't have that shirt on. below if you want me to make another one of the squishy. Comment down below if you want me to make another one of these squishies. And I'll do that. Wait, why don't I just do it today right now? Like, I'll see you guys when I get all the supplies. Sorry guys. So all you need like fill up a tiny trash, a big old trash bag or tiny like this. Put the cotton out in there. Get maybe 3, 4, 5, maybe like 2 vans or 3. Over 2. Throw out. If you want to put 1, you can. I'm just gonna be putting 2. So they'll like stay together. My baby squishy jaw counter is getting really big. It's like getting so full. I think I can't even fit like any more stuff in it. Now, see, it's not even squishy. Can't even squish it on it because I have to put the hole in there. I gotta make it bigger. I think I have 2 big holes. That's why it's getting up. Isn't that really squishy, guys? You like number 2 or number 1? And because this is really exciting. This one is really squishy. This one is really squishy too, but it comes when you press on it, it comes up real quick, guys. So yeah, it's not really surprising. I think put that at a big old place. Let's do the test that I always do. This one. This one is an A. I knew what I did wrong, guys. So guys, I'm gonna dig one, and it's really bad. So, I didn't put it on tight. That's why it's not even squishy. It hurts my hand. First one. Okay guys, let's test. It's still not even squishy like this one. Now it's getting squishy. Don't let me just down right there. My scissors up. And that's how you make one of my favorite squishies in the world. Homemade squishies. Because I'm really thirsty and my sister's having a hard time because her best friend just left. Yeah. So let's get some juice. This is important. Some sodium borax. I almost poured it on. I'm thirsty. I haven't done anything because I was making vlogs with you guys and tutorials. So bye guys. Bye. So guys, I have a subscriber and I'm going to shout out to her or him. I'm going to shout out to it because I do not know what gender it is. So thank you, the person who subscribed to my channel. I really support you, and yeah guys. Ciao.